Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a chain stitch. It is when you need to start a project but lock in a circular way. You need to know how to make a chain stitch. So to begin with, you pick the yarn, you pick the right hook. So today I pick a yarn and then I use the 4mm hook. So you tie a knot like this. See, it's across. You turn and pull the small end through the loop. Pull it. Okay. So how to know if it's right? You pull the shorter end. You see, the loop gets smaller, so that's right. If it doesn't get smaller, that means you tie the knot in a different way, so you have to make it again. So once again, do this. You pull it. This. Okay. You put your hook through the loop and tighten it like this. So now we do this. 1. It's very important to count. 2. 1 more. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Okay, I made 8 stitches. So let me tell you how to count it. Okay, we made 8, and then this loop doesn't count. Okay, so you see from the top, you see the V, right? It's a V. 1 V counts as 1 stitch. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, now it's 8. If you do it nicely, pick the right yarn and hook, they match together, then you will count very nice looking 8 bees, okay? That's how we do chain stitch. Okay, now let me do it again. First, we tie a knot. Pull it. Next, to see if you do it right, you pull the shorter end so the loop gets smaller. Next, you put your hook through the loop and tighten it. Okay, so it's right, not too tight, not too loose, just right. And then you do this. You have the fingers hold the shorter end, so it's easier for you to move your hook. 1. You see that? It's very nice. V. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You see? Nicely done. Now let's count it. We doesn't count the loop or the hook, we count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see the V, right? So this is how we do the chain stitch. I hope you like my videos, and if you need any more information, just PM me. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much. See you next time.